Hello, here we are today, 5th of May 2021. Again, Montjuic, Barcelona, sunny day. Yesterday I uploaded my first video saying hello world, right? In my journey to become a software developer. So there's some things I didn't say yesterday. So my goal is to get my first job in 6 months. I'm gonna be a bit loose about my goal. So let's say November. So May, June, July, August, September, October. So when the 6th month is over, I plan to get my first job as a software developer. So it would be in the 7th month, actually, in November, but I'm fine with that. I'm a father of two. I'm also I got my day job, and I need to study a lot, practice a lot. So 6 months of building my portfolio, learning. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna learn HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript. I'm gonna build a few websites myself, upload them to Git and GitHub. That's what I've read, like these are must-dos. Then afterwards I'll go and do some React and build another, probably some of the webs I built already. I'll do them again on React, upload them to my portfolio as well, and then I'll start looking for a job. Probably after my first web development on my own, and before getting into React, I'll do some I'll apply for some jobs already and see what happens, what kind of answers I have. So I'm gonna make a career change. I'm now working on marketing. I've been working on marketing for the last 5 years. It's cool. Before that I was a musician. Well, I am a musician. I write songs, I record them, I have a home studio, but you know, after the financial crisis of 28, I started doing other things. I studied economy, then I started marketing. I got my first job a few years later as a marketing, my first marketing job a few years later, and I'm fine with it. But it's just like, well, don't know. In music, there's a lot of mathematics involved, and I've really digged into music. And I'm self-taught into music. I still write music for libraries, which I do like kind of as a side hustle, and it's fine as well. But you know, I don't know. I got into crypto as an investment. Then I discovered DeFi. Got down the rabbit hole with DeFi, and it's just a lot of programming and you know, there's a lot of tech side to it, related to it. So I started finding content about cryptos and crypto development, blockchain development, Solidity, and all those languages. Started getting more and more into it, and ended up like in the programming, coding, I don't know how you say it, bug in my brain. And as I said in the first video of the series, I just started learning on my 46th birthday last Saturday, and I'm on it. I've just found like tons of things I need to learn. There's as I said, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, There's also Visual Studio to write the code. There's also Git, then GitHub, which are connected somehow. I still don't know how and what these things are for. I've made my first like kind of global course on LinkedIn about HTML. Now when I get back home, I'll finish it. And I found a list of courses, HTML basic courses, and I just want to get home and start coding and start building some HTML sheet and start coding, because the course I've been attending to is fine, but I want to start doing things on my own, not just following the course. But anyway, I'll finish the course first and then I'll start practicing on my own. First week I'm gonna do HTML. Next week I'll do CSS, and I'll try to build something with that. And then next month I'll set GitHub and all that stuff. I'll set all that stuff up, and I plan to do June for JavaScript, and then July I'll build something with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And that's my plan. That's the video for today. Quite long, 6 minutes and 45. Well, there we go.